see it? I don't know. I'm wearing the GoPro on my head for today's video, so we're gonna see how cool this looks, because everything I look at you guys can see. So I got Dunkin' coffee. Yeah. I'm probably gonna try a few different camera angles. So right now it's on top of the hat, but I can also flip the GoPro upside down and put it like in front of my face. So we're clipped on now. Let's see how dumb this looks. I can see surprisingly well. So I think it does look better when it's upside down like this. Well, it's a direct my eye view of what I see, instead of when it's up on the top, it's like as if I was 6 foot tall. Which I guess is a good thing that I'm short, because if I was 6 foot tall, you'd just be looking at the sun visor. Can you see the shift knob? I can't tell. This is actually pretty interesting, because this is pretty like accurate to my eye vision. A little downshift over here. Maybe another. Shifting a little bit better now. I mean, I don't have to look to shift, but I'm going to, so you guys can see it. Bam. Oh fuck. I didn't know if I was in gear. So it's probably bothering you guys that the steering wheel is crooked. I mean, it bothers the shit out of me. So I do plan on getting an alignment. Pablo, who let us use the shop last time, said we can do an alignment at his shop for free on Sunday next week, because I have to get a control arm for this car. Yeah, because one of the ball joints are out, you have to buy the whole control arm in order to change it. I don't remember if I said that in the other video. Ah, 50 miles till empty.